Codebases today holds more markdown file than the actual code. We all have hundreds of scale file, agent.md, design.md, and whatnot. Take my blog, mestago.com. There are hundreds of markdown file and images scattered across dozens of folders. And when I just want to see which images I have already without editing anything, it's a pain. This is where reading room comes in. So with just one command like npx reading room, when you run the command in your terminal, a clean UI opens in your browser with all of your markdown, text file, and images. You can filter through any of the file type. Click on them to see the preview. And also, when you open a file, you can see all the relevant information about that file on the right side of the screen, and also the history of the file. So if you click any of the history item, you can view the file from that exact moment of history. Reading room is not an editor. It is just a calm and distraction free way to interact with your markdown and images, basically the files you care about. It is open source, so if you find any bug, please submit an issue, or if you have any ideas, feel free to submit a pull request. This has been a demo of Reading Room. My name is Saif. Hope you like it. Bye.